Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Precious here. How are you guys doing? In case you are joining us for the first time, this is a trading channel, and if you're an absolute beginner or you're an intermediate, I have a playlist dedicated for beginners who are willing to learn and grow in forex trading. Please check through my channel and go through the videos there. This is not our usual type of video because I want you guys to learn from my mistake. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I missed a winning trade on Thursday and how you can avoid such mistake. So last week Thursday, I was waiting for a sell on GBPUSD. You guys know the market has been a little sluggish around there. I did my analysis. I'm going to be showing you guys everything on the screen. So I was waiting for price to come mitigate my order block here. So we have a bearish breakout structure here and we have an order block here. So I was waiting for price to come upward here, mitigate my order block here, and then I can sell from this level. But then I was waiting for a confirmation on the lower time frame. This is another possibility that can happen in the market. The price gets to your order block on the higher time frame, then you go to the lower time frame like 15 minutes to 30 minutes to enter your trade from there. I was waiting for confirmation on GBPUSD on the lowest time frame 15 minutes so I could enter from 15 minutes, you know. But price never gave a confirmation entry here. You can see that this is the daily. Price came here on Thursday due to the news. The news created volatility in the market on Thursday. I think the news on Thursday was unemployment news, and it was good for the dollar. Price came mitigate my order block here. I was waiting for confirmation entry but never gave a confirmation entry. I didn't get a confirmation entry, but I was looking at it. I could have just entered, right? But I don't want to break my rules jumping into trade and chasing trade. It's okay to miss a trade and to force a losing trade. Okay, so when you missed a trade, the first thing to ask yourself is, did I break my trading plans? Did I break my trading rules? If you did not break your trading rules and the trade didn't just fit into your trading plan, you missed it, and then the missing trade becomes a winning trade. It's okay. All right, it's okay. Don't feel bad. It's a constant situation that will keep happening in the market. So missing a trade is not that intense, okay, than breaking your own rules as a trader. So don't panic, don't be sad when you miss trade. Also ask yourself, how well did I execute my trading plans today? That is the most important thing to do. And also remember that if you are trading confirmation entry, especially during news, have high volatility during news, it's mostly won't give you a confirmation to enter. You know, it will dump massively or go up massively due to institutional order at that particular time, that particular level. And also, I just learned something, you know, limit order is very important as well. Like setting limit order, done with your analysis, you mark the key points, you put your position, so you set limit order. Limit order just help you to set and forget. If I set limit order now, I'll be in good profit, you know, because this trade not only hits my take profit but went below my take profit, you know. So it's limit order is very important as well, especially if you are this type of trader that you are not always watching the chart, you are not always available to watch the chart. Set limit order. All right. And if you are the type of trader that you are frequent to the charts, watching the charts, you don't do any other thing apart from watching the charts, you know, you can set confirmation entry. But the disadvantage of confirmation entry now is the fact that this can happen to you as well in the situation where price came to the external order block, mitigated, and then just without giving you confirmation, it just move aggressively downward like that in a short position. Exactly what happened to me, right? But the confirmation entry gives you more confidence that price is reacting from your zone and going in your direction. You can set market order as well. Market order for me, entering this trade now, because it didn't give me confirmation, because I wanted to enter this trade based on confirmation entry. That was the rule I set for myself. Your own rule might be different. You can feel like, okay, price is reacting from this zone. This this other block is going to hold. Let me just enter the market. That is market execution, you know, which is still fine. But the thing is that if you are entering based on market order, you're going to be risking more, you know, because price came to your order block, mitigated and start moving already. It has covered some pips. So you're going to be risking more than what you wanted to risk initially if you're setting market order. So just know that market order, you are risking more. Now you are sure that you are not missing a trade. So that is the advantage and the disadvantage of market order. Knowing what you are doing in the market and not breaking your rules for any trade because of fear of missing out is very important. And that is what makes you a matured professional trader. So I made a video the last time. I was telling you guys about the directional bias on GBPUSD. Please, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box so you guys can watch and benefit from that video. And I hope you guys benefit from this video because I want you guys to learn one or two from this video. And also, please do not forget to like this video, do not forget to leave a comment, and do not forget to share this video to people that really benefit from this video. And subscribe to my channel. In my next video, please tell me in the comment section the type of video you want me to make, because I have in mind to go deeply into Profem. Are Profem even worth trading in 2025? I'm going to be telling you full gist about my students. They've passed their Profem challenge, they are funded now, and they are trading their funded accounts, which is very exciting, you know. So in my next video, I'm going to be talking about that, and I'm going to be giving detailed information about Profems and if you even need a Profem account in 2025. So subscribe because you don't want to miss that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
this is one of the new books in town. I got this book, Making It Big by Femi Otedola, and I want to share with you guys in my next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay profitable and stay blessed. Bye bye.